In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Then to listen to your recording, click on it. You can manage all of those options however you want to. In order to rename your recording, go back, hold it, and tap on Rename option at the bottom. Then type in whatever you want to. And hit OK. If you wish to delete your recording, just hold it, tap on Delete at the bottom right next to Rename, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!